Locate your printer's serial number. Remember, your printer may not look exactly like the printer shown in this video. Your printer's serial number is used to identify your printer anytime you need to make a service call. The serial number is found on the configuration label or on the LCD screen of the front panel. The configuration label is found inside the printer cover. If your printer has locks, unlock the cover door. Open the cover door. The label is on the right side of the cover. The serial number is on the upper right corner of the label. When you are done reading the configuration label, close the printer cover and lock the printer. The serial number also displays on the printer's LCD screen. Make sure that your printer's LCD screen displays ready. Press the down arrow until you see SN followed by a letter and number combination. More information about the parts of your printer can be found in other how-to videos and in your printer's user guide.